Shh.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, WXK24 Odell. Severe weather.
The frig? Oh, shoot. Oh, man.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 380, effective until 3 o'clock a.m. Tuesday, or 4 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Livingston, Marshall, McLean, Will, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, and 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.